So this is the shift knob that I got. I got it from eBay for about, I think it was like 12 bucks. It's got a nice weight to it. It's very simple. I just wanted a nice simple one without any brands or numbers on it. So I picked up this one. Looks like it has a bunch of little adapters to fit any car. So this is the shift boot that I'm going to be using with that shift knob. I actually took this off of one of my older cars that I got rid of. I ordered it off of Etsy from a lady who does custom ones. I got it fit for a different car of mine, but I'm going to try to make it fit to this one. It's got this little drawstring thing that kind of makes it fit the pole that the shift knob will go onto. So we'll see how this goes. So obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is take off this shift knob here, and this just twists off just like that. Before I continue, I wanted to make sure that my little adapter piece will fit on and that the shift knob fits on. If you're getting the same one as me or if yours has an adapter, definitely before you start taking everything apart. And it does look like it's gonna fit on. All it does is just screw down to this. So everything lines up, and I'm gonna go ahead and take everything else out now. So after test fitting that your knob actually will go on your car, you could start doing the next part, which is taking this entire panel off, which starts with opening this thing, and then we're gonna pop these clips up. No tools required, just gotta pry up and it'll pop out. There's some clips all the way around this thing. So one thing you're gonna wanna make sure before you just pry it on out of here is that you undo that clip right there and any other clips like this one right there at the back. Just make sure you do those before you go yanking on it. Whenever you're going to take out the shift boot, there's gonna be this little plastic plate around here that's snapped into these little silver pieces right here, all around it. All you gotta do is just be very careful and unsnap this plate, and the boot's actually attached to this black plate. So I'm gonna do that right now. So once you pop this off, just keep in mind that it is directional. You got the one clip in the front right here, and then the two clips are going to be in the back. So just keep that in mind whenever you're putting on your new boot and you want it to face a certain way. So I'm going to start tearing off this seam right here for the old one and getting ready to put on the new one. Okay, so I just got done hot gluing it to this bracket, so it's on there pretty good, and I am going to attempt to fit it into there. So after you get everything back into the car, it's just as simple as doing the reverse of what you did to pull it out.